Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hey, I know the footage might look a little different. You like what I did? Like what I did? Hopefully it's working as it should. This is the first test video. This is not going to be anything special. I'm meeting up with some buddies to go ride to get some content. We're not really doing, like I said, we're not really doing anything special. We're just going to be riding, chilling. We might get a little racing in. I don't know. We'll just have to see. Oh man, I took my my frame sliders off, and it makes a world of difference when leaning the bike over. Like before, I had to fight the bike damn near to lean it over. But I've also said, and I think in previous videos or just talking to my friends, I know I've told them that depending on what mode you're in, sometimes the lean for the bike is a little bit different. And I know before, when I had my frame sliders on there, it like wouldn't, like if I had my 360 camera extended and I had my frame sliders on, it was, I could always feel extra weight on this side, mainly because this side frame slider stuck out further to protect the exhaust when it goes down. But I also have my 360 mounted on my right side and extended all the way out. But I don't know, I don't really feel anything back there right now, which is not fully extended. It's extended a little bit, but this, it's like so flickable now with my frame sliders taken off. And I tried to weigh them on my scale that I have at the house. Now I'm saying scale. I have a food scale that I weigh my food out on. I should have used that scale because my other one wouldn't pick up weight. So if I had to guess, I'll probably shave like 3 pounds just from those frame sliders. Maybe 2.5, 3 pounds, something like that. And also, I'm scared to ride super fast and look back because I got this ND filter on there, and I don't, it's on there with magnets, and I don't want this ND filter to fly off. Even though this is my highest ND filter, this is ND 32 right here. I think I'll be using like ND 16 more. This is, like I said, this is just a test video. Because for one, I need to get back to editing. I missed that. Like, I noticed with myself that I get agitated super quick when, with a couple of things. When I'm not doing what my normal routine is, which is going to work, like going to all 3 of my jobs, recording content, editing, posting content, answering DMs, stuff like that. If I'm not doing those things, I notice I get super agitated and I hate it. So I had to get up today and record something. And then also I'm testing out the ND filters as well. Homie, you better slow your roll, buddy. Oh, there's the ops. Also, let me cut this on because it's a little chilly out. Yeah, all my buddies gonna be freezing their butts off. Oh, it's not even freezing. It's like I want to say it's 50. It's supposed to go to 60 today. I got these heated grips, baby. Their hands gonna be cold, not mine. I know that. Also, I saw the BT Moto, the heated grips mod where you can go all the way up to 5, but I want to say that's just to have more levels to look like you're different or like cooler or something like that. I don't know. You can set your own level and they're like 75%, 100%, stuff like that. So I think level 3 is 100% on here. But sometimes level 3 gets hot, boy. That shit gets hot. Getting back in that grind, baby. I lost one of my GoPro batteries, which I'm super bummed about. Also, I do have a new GoPro set up. I'm still using the same GoPro. I just made a few adjustments to the overall look of everything. so I could condense stuff down. My main thing was I wanted to, so if you don't know, AGV Pistas and Corsa R's, their button to open their visors right dead center in the middle, and we mount our GoPros dead center in the middle. So if you have to angle your GoPro a certain way so you can still have access to your visor button. Now with the thing that I got from my GoPro, it did condense it down, but now I have to rotate it back far back enough to get my angle right. So like I said, I'm still tinkering with it, so we'll see how it goes. Dang, she ain't got no power steering fluid. Goddamn. Strong Gabby. That's one way to lose the sheriff. Go to the light when it's turning yellow. Pop, 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 pop. What up? What up, man? Hello? It's crazy. It's like lowering my music when I talk or when you talk. And it's just tripping me out, and then it goes back full blast when we're not talking. This is my first time like actually pairing with somebody. Yeah, his bike is insane, dude. Ah, Rebel. The duck is so beautiful. I had to. when we were at the gas station, were you stuck in that gear? Oh. This doesn't. We're gonna keep on going straight. Stop at that gas station up here. I figured out what kind of guy you are. You like the when we pull into place, you're just like, rum, 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 rum. Like, God, please. No, man. I used to be about that life. Said I used to be about that life.
What happened?
It's just too much noise, man. I'm like an old head now.
What's talking?
I keep on getting stuck in gear. It wouldn't let me up here.
Alright, we're just out here getting some content. Hopefully. But we're just getting content. Just pictures, videos, shit. A fucking ND filter cracked. I guess a rock hit or something. I don't know. But I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully the footage turns out great when I go edit it. I know my ND filter breaking is going to mess some of the footage up, but you know, it is what it is. And I got these new stickers put on. Follow me on Instagram. It's Hollywood 24/7, not V2. And then YouTube sticker. YouTube sticker right here. But yeah, this is the ND16, and I had the 32 on because it was a lot brighter out, and it looked a little bit better, like a little more darker. Oh boy, that bike sounds so good. Yeah, but I'll catch you guys on the next video. Ride safe, wear your gear. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. Follow me on TikTok, it's Hollywood V2. Instagram is Hollywood 24/7. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.